Hi students, good morning. Today we will learn the three-dimensional figures. Yes. In this studying, the units you can the three-dimensional figures and two-dimensional figures and plane side view of three-dimensional figures and to draw the geometrical sketches of cube, cylinder, cone and definite sets. In our daily life, we see the different things book, ball, football, then ice cream cone, etc. The all shapes are solid. Yes, the three-dimensional figures which we need the three measurements to describe is called as three-dimensional figures as faces, edges and vertices. What is faces? The upper flat of areas of solid sphere is called as faces. First 3D figure is cube. Either length, width and height are equal in number of faces, number of edges and number of vertices. The upper flat of areas of solid sphere is called as faces. The number of faces is 6. In this, what is edges? Is cube. The cube is an example for dice and ice cube. Then what is edges? The line segments at which the faces of solid of a shape and meet is called as edges. Yes, the line segments. The line segments at which faces in a solid shapes to meet is called as edges. It is an edges. In cube, the number of edges is 12. Then what is vertices? The three edges of a solid sphere is meet at a point is called as vertices. Yes, in this cube, the three edges of a solid shape of meet at point is called as vertices. The number of vertices is 8. Yes, this is faces, edges and vertices. It is vertices. Next one is cuboid. The cuboid is example for bricks, books, table and cupboard. These figures has cuboid. The number of faces is 6. The 6 faces are square or rectangular anyone. The number of edges is 12. These edges is 12 and the number of edges is 12 and number of vertices is also 8. Is 8. Next is cylinder. The cylinder in this figure, the number of faces is 3. 1, 2 and 3 is one curved surface and two circular bases. Two circular faces of one curved surfaces. The number of edges is 2. The number of edges is 2 and vertices is 0. Yes, cuboid and cylinder. Yes. Next one is prism. The prism is a solid sphere with two faces to identify or identity to the parallels. The faces is 5 and edges is 9 and vertices is 6. Yes. In cone, the faces is 2. One face and back side is one face and one circular base and one curved space. It is in circular base and edges is 1 and also vertices is also 1. Next one, when we to see the objects or cubical figures with a different directions to appears different examples. When we see the bus from the different sides, we are following the figure up to figure A to figure E. In is a different view about this three view in this bus. First one is front view, side view and plan view. When we see the objects from the front, it's called as front view. The side view, when we see the objects from left or right. The plan view as this top view. Plan view as top view. Then when we see the objects from the top. Observe the figures in the following table. Yes, if we see the cube, it is different view. In different view, in this cube have same dimensions along with height, always to height, width and depth. The figures of the 3D is 2D. The side view, then front view and plan view. Yes, the plan view and top view. The plan view of our top view and side view is looks like everything is appears to be the same dimensions. Appears to be the same dimensions of length and width. In this figure, the cube are equal of a side view, plan view or front view. Next one is cuboid. The cuboid is looks like the front view, look like the front view or side view and plan view or the top view, then top view. Next one is cylinder. The cylinder has its faces is 3, edges is 2 and vertices is also 0. The front view is looks like, it is a front view. The front view is looks like a side view and side view is looks like a rectangular shape and top view is looks like a circle. Okay, it is a front view is looks like a rectangles front view and side view is looks like a rectangles and top view is looks like a circles, called as a cylinder. Next one is cone. Yes, it is a front view and side view and top view, it is looks like a circle. Top view means it is a base of the circle. In this figure, the cone. Next is exercise 9.1. What is the shape of faces in cube? Cube, it is a shape is square. How many circular faces are there in cylinder? The cylinder has 2 faces. Yes, look at this. One faces and back side is one faces. Next, mention the number of plane surfaces and curved surfaces in a cone is 1. 1. The mention of number of plane surfaces and curved surfaces is 1. Then observe the following table and against each of the shape of solid, and it is a solid figures. In given, the put right against the figures which is example for shape and put wrong against the figure, it is example for shape. First one is cube. Yes, it is not cube. It's wrong. It is a cube shape and it is also called as cube shape. Cylinder shape. It's wrong. It is wrong. Yes, right. Next, cone shape. Which one is cone shape? Yes, I and L. Next, cuboid. Which one is cuboid shape? N and P. Next, a robot is constructed using the different solid shapes and identify the shapes and write the number of times to use. Yes, in this constructed figure, first one is cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. Cube 1 and 2. Yes. Cuboid 1. cylinder. 1 cylinder, 2 and 3. 3 figures of cylinder. 3 figures of a cylinder. Next is cone. 1 and 2. Yes, and different view of a table and given the figure of A, B, C. It is a side view. It is a side view, and B is, it is a front view. It is a front view and it is called as top view.